If your Venmo payment is declined, several factors could be causing the issue. Here's how to troubleshoot and resolve it. Check your balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Venmo balance or linked bank account or card to cover the payment. If your Venmo balance is insufficient, the app will try to charge your linked payment method. Verify payment method. Make sure your linked bank account, credit card or debit card is active and has available funds. If there's an issue with your payment method, try removing it and re-adding it in the payment method section. Update the app. Ensure your Venmo app is up to date. Older versions may have bugs that cause payment issues. Go to your app store, check for updates and install the latest version. Confirm identity. Venmo may decline payments if your identity hasn't been verified. Check if you need to provide additional verification by going to Settings, Identity Verification. Check transaction limits. Venmo imposes limits on how much you can send. If you've exceeded your sending limit, your payment will be declined. You can view your limits under Settings, Limits and Features. Contact Venmo support. If none of these steps work, reach out to Venmo's customer support for further assistance to resolve the issue.